Hello children, my name is Rita Singh. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn maths. This is our maths book. The name of our maths book is Maths Primer. The spelling of maths is M-A-T-H-S. Children, all of you have learned up to page number 10. Today we will learn page number 11 and page number 12. On page number 11, the topic is many and few. Many means a large and countable number. And few means a small number, or we can say not many. See, you can see two bunches of grapes are given. The first bunch has large number of grapes, while the second bunch has small number of grapes. So, we can say the first bunch has many grapes, while the second bunch has few grapes. Like that, in the first picture, there are two cakes are given. The first cake has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first cake has 5 candles and the second cake has only 2 candles. So we can say the first cake has many candles and the second cake has few candles. Like that, in the second picture, there are two groups of caps are given. The first group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 caps. And the second group has 1, 2 and 3 caps only. So we can say the first group has many caps and the second group has few caps. Like that, in the third picture, this box has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 colors. And the second group has 1 and 2, only 2 colors. So we can say the box has many colors and the second group has few colors. Okay, all of you understand? One practice session has given. First, all of you write today's date. Suppose today's date is this. So first all of you write today's date, and then the question is write M for many objects and F for few objects. Here, two baskets are given. The first basket has many eggs and the second basket has few eggs. So, what we will do? We will write M for many objects and F for few objects. Okay? So like that, you will do rest of the work. See, if there are many objects, so you will write M, and if there are few objects, so you will write F. Now all of you turn over the page, and on page number 12, the topic is more and less. More means large but uncountable quantity, and less means small but uncountable quantity. Okay, So you can see here 2 aquariums are given. The first aquarium has more water. It is filled with more water. And the second aquarium has less water. So you see in this picture 2 glasses are given. The first glass has filled with more water and the second glass is filled with less water. Like that, you can see in the next picture 2 bottles of cold drinks are given. The first bottle is filled with more quantity of cold drink and the second bottle is filled with less quantity of cold drink. Okay, and in the last picture, in the third picture, there are 2 jugs are given. The first jug is filled with more water and the second jug is filled with less quantity of water. Okay, so you can judge by seeing only. You can't count the quantity. Okay, one practice session is given here. First, all of you write date and the question is write M for more quantity and L for less quantity. See, here 2 buckets are given. The first bucket is filled with less quantity of water and the second bucket is filled with more quantity of water. You can see and judge. Now you will write L for less quantity and you will write M for more quantity. Like that, you can see in this picture there are 2 glasses. The first glass is filled with less quantity of drink and the second glass is filled with more quantity of drink. So you will write here L and you will write M for more quantity. Like that you will do rest of the work.